Hey everyone, my name is Abdul Rahman and this is my project which is named as AgroSmart. I will be guiding you how you can use AgroSmart to increase productivity. I will be logging in as admin with admin credentials so I can show you how each feature work and what we are providing. When I log in, this is the dashboard you will see after you log in. So there is a section for crop identification, corn disease identifier, rice disease identifier, and all other diseases. Currently, we are working on major crops in Pakistan, which is corn, rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and potato. So if we move on, we have marketplace, we have cart, we have history, we have guidelines. If I can show you the corn disease predict label says, if I click on identify disease, you can see that it has predicted correctly. You can also ask the expert if you want. For example, I will ask, hey, we got answer in both Urdu and in English. In English, Assalamu alaikum, answer to your question about Pakistani agriculture. So these are the basic instructions. If we go more specific, what is, so you can see it has basically given us the answer. We also has a marketplace where you can go and buy stuff like this. There are sprays, fertilizers available. You can also upload rate list, which can be anything. So in view rate list, there are different stuff like you can preview a rate list, something like this, and other stuff. We move on next. We also have a history section, which basically contains all the things if we have done crop identification or disease prediction or payment history. Moving on next, we also have guideline section where if there is a new beginner, he or she can learn some basic from here. We also have, so there is also a section which is a newsletter section. We have also have fertilizer. So you can see over here, it is fertilizer recommendation section. We can use time at sowing or after sowing. Here are some crops. We will be updating or adding more crops with time. Gandam Abash, we will select I have already used 12.5 kg of DAP, and I can say I have used 10 kg of SOP, and I have used no Urea right now. So if I click on submit, you can see I have basically a report. So view the profile.